Hello guys, we are back again with another video, and this time we are rolling now to the 6th anniversary of Team Savage car meet, and it's gonna be a super awesome car meet. So we have a couple guys that we meet up at the street and we're gonna roll out over there. So stay tuned because this car meet is gonna be amazing. Alright, so we just got into the building where the main event is gonna be. This is gonna be the car meet today, and I can't wait to get inside and show you all these amazing cars that we're gonna have inside. And stay tuned because I want to show you all these beautiful cars that they're gonna be inside this building right here. What's up? And this is the main guy right here.
Alright, you can follow in tabs, okay?
Alright, cool. And alrighty guys, we are getting inside. Just prepare. So we are kind of early, but we can see already there's a lot of supercars, including a lot of McLarens, Lamborghinis, Porsches. Man, I'm so excited to just see every car that is gonna pull up today. Because man, I tell you this, I freaking love cars. I think they're so amazing. And if you love cars like me, you gotta subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna be posting a lot of different cars, everything that I can see on the streets. We're gonna put it on on this channel every car meet. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for you can see the rest of the cars that they're gonna be pulling up. Yo, this is the brand new Lambo Vuelto. This car is, wow, I can't believe how aggressive and beautiful it looks on the back. Definitely love this rear style. This Lamborghini right now is my favorite. But man, these SVJs are also amazing. Well, guys, we're about to head out. At this point, we are going to a next spot that you're gonna be surprised. And I just want to say that I really enjoy being at this car meet today, seeing all this beautiful car, all different colors. So stay tuned because I'm gonna be posting a second part of the video. And just to show you a little bit here what it's gonna be about. So just stay tuned, follow this channel for more, and enjoy the rest of the day. Don't forget to like this video.